Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. Today I would like to show you the way how you can change the pink dark background for your photo with other background color that you can find. So for today's tutorial we will use picsArt application. You just need to open your picsArt on your phone. Wait until the application is perfectly open. Right after it's open, tap into this plus button and then you just need to pick the picture that have the dark pink color that you want to change. I already prepared one for you. So this is the photo. As you can see, now I've got the dark pink color for this picture and I want to change those with another color. So you just need to take a look at this bottom feature, slide the feature into the left side until you find the cutout. Tap into the cutout and then you just need to pick the person option so that the AI technology of the picsArt will take or isolate the persons only, and then you just need to tap into save. Now you already got this blank background. Tap into the layers, tap into the backgrounds, click this color, and then you just need to choose the newest color that you want to use for your picture background. Right after you found it, you just need to tap on it and then you are done. Tap into apply and download this picture right away. So that's for today's tutorial. So simple and easy. Hopefully you enjoy, and let's meet again into other tutorial.